OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.
Hi, I'm Terry. So now we are in front of one of the best sparkling wine of Italy, and now I'm with Alberto. Okay, so Bellavista is a winery really created by a very famous entrepreneur, Mr. Moretti. So why he chose this region to make such a great sparkling wine?
Because originally it's from there, and today we are here with the Vittorio Moretti 2006. That is the wine that the winemaker dedicates to the owner.
Okay.
So in the 70s he decided to produce wines there on the wave of what's going on there concerning the bottle fermentation. That is a relatively young area for this method. But in 50 years we have done a good way, and little by little we are trying to spread the word even outside of Italy.
Okay. Actually, people always say it's really one of the best sparkling of Italy, even to compete with champagne. So what's your opinion about that?
It's not a matter of being better or worse. It's just a matter of having our own style and philosophy.
Yes.
The region is suitable for this kind of production.
Yes.
Of course, wines from Franciacorta are different from champagne because we are in Italy, so they are more Italian in the style. And in Bellavista we take care of our vineyards. We produce only with property grapes, and for instance the wine that we are presenting here is coming from 06, and we are just presenting it now. So it went through 6 years on the lease with cork tirage.
6 years.
It is practically manually done.
Wow. So how many bottles you make per year? Really, 6 years waiting is really long.
This wine is being produced in around 25,000 bottles.
Only?
This particular cuvée.
Wow, okay.
The total production of Bellavista is around 1.3 million.
Okay.
Only from property grapes. We run today in the region nearly 200 hectares.
Okay. So have you already exported to China?
We have an importer to China. It's based in Shenzhen.
Shenzhen, great.
And although it's quite difficult to let the Chinese know that what Franciacorta. Yeah, we hope that little by little Franciacorta will be more renewed even in China.
Okay, thank you very much. OK， 所以大家看到了，我们说这是全意大利最好的起泡酒的产区，跟下面一模一样的方法。那我们刚才说到这个 Bellavista 这一款酒，它在那个我们说酵母上面呢陈酿了6年的时间。我们说 Franciacorta 真的是可以跟全世界最顶级的起泡酒去媲美。而这款酒呢，现在也说到了在深圳的一个进口商呢有进口。我们也希望呢，大家可以给这个意大利的起泡酒更多的机会。我们也相信你肯定会得到很多的惊喜。OK， thank you very much. OK， yeah， ciao. See you next time in China. Thank you.
OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.